Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect MCHOSE keyboard with your PC. And to do this, first let's grab our keyboard, and right here you can find the switch. There's also the USB-C plug and this gap right here. Inside you probably will be able to find this dongle. And now there's actually three different options though, and ways you can connect this keyboard with your PC. First one is through the cable. So grab the cable which is included in the package. Sadly, I don't have it near me, but it's pretty simple. You just connect USB-C here and the other end to your PC. The other way is to connect it using a USB dongle. Get that dongle and connect it to your PC. And then turn the switch to 2.4G and your keyboard should spring to life. It works fine. And then the last way to connect it is with the Bluetooth. So now turn that switch to the Bluetooth side. Then open Bluetooth settings on your PC. You can do it by just opening settings, then the devices, and there's Bluetooth and other devices. Make sure that your Bluetooth is on, then select add Bluetooth and other devices, select the Bluetooth from the list, and wait till your keyboard is visible right here. You can choose one of them. I'm gonna go with 5.0, and it should connect with your PC. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.